Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. I'm excited to be sharing with you 170 King Street. This is apartment 602. Now, I'm actually on the balcony of King Street right now, overlooking the pool, the hot tub. These are all community amenities that you get to enjoy. And then where you see the exit sign, and there's some outdoor seating. There's barbecues there, and then indoor kitchen, outdoor kitchen, and then a community room and the gym. This is a beautiful, beautiful balcony here. Now let's turn around and see where you're enjoying this from. So you can see there's two chairs. The sun is setting, so it's later in the day, but it was bright and sunny earlier. So let me go in here. Super wide double pane glass in this property. And what's really nice is you have a screen here. So if you like your doors open, you can leave that open to make sure none of the bugs get in. And you can see screens on here too, as well as window treatments. Okay, let's turn around. Is this beautiful or what? Tall ceilings, accent lighting, and then of course, a nice big living room area. Again, all overlooking, the surrounding building and the pool. So you really have a commanding view of the pool. It feels like you're in a resort. It really does. Dining room area, and then if you want, instead of having you could have bar stool seating here instead, because that's a nice proper bar. And then you have your kitchen gas range, stainless appliances, dishwasher, and of course garbage disposal, and then also really, really wonderful cabinet placement. All right, and then accent lighting, just really beautiful. Hardwood floors. All right, let's go into some of the bedrooms here. So this is the primary bedroom. Nice big bed here. So again, this is delivered unfurnished. This is an unfurnished property. Those are blackout shades there, so those are completely dark. A little oil, I think, may be needed there, but we'll get that fixed before you move in. Custom closets. I'm pretty sure these are California closets. I'm not certain, but they're gorgeous and very functional. So you have hanging racks, areas for ties, and then they're all modular, so you can move it around based on your need. Again, big space. This is carpeted flooring, so it's nice and squishy under your feet. Again, shower here, toilet, and then a sink. All right. I'm going to slowly turn around. You can see it. And then again, this is overlooking, when you have the blinds open, you're overlooking the pool area. All right, coming over here. Before going into these closets, I left that open. Let's first look at the den. This is the front door. So this is how you would enter the unit. Here is a proper den. This is actually a very good amount of space. That you can have an office, playroom, again, maybe a little TV, gaming room as well. So because there's electrical outlets, so lots of options. And as I mentioned, the front door, and you have a space for a little chair, so you can put on, take off your shoes in a sitting area, and then you can put your coats and shoes right here, and again, in another customized closets. All right. Let's go back. Now this unit does have storage and parking available. So see your agent about that and see the key terms in our listing. There'll be links below. This is such a fun little triangular closet, so very unique. And then this is another triangular type closet. So again, lots of storage space. So again, here we are with the kitchen, living room, primary bedroom, and then here is the secondary bedroom. So yeah, bed, and again, all this furniture is leaving. And here, I'm going to turn around. You can see that this too is California closet. Let me see if I can open this up. So. Nice sliding glass door. This is so there you go, right here. So just beautiful. These are just beautiful cabinets, Lots of shelving. Again, modular, so if you wanted to move these shelves up and down, you could. And accent lighting in here. If you're interested in this property, give me or Sue a ring. The agents will be listed in the links below. So use the YouTube links to get to our website. We'd love to share this property with you, get you into it, to show it. Neighborhood. So right 170 King Street is directly adjacent to the ballpark. So if you like baseball, this is a perfect place. It's also next to freeway access, as well as lots of public transportation. The Muni train goes right by here. Caltrains is right down the street, and right down the street, like literally maybe a block away, is Safeway. So that's a big supermarket, and there's delis and restaurants. So really fun place, and there's parks and etc. So lots of things to do in this area. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All right. If you are interested in this property, see the links below. There's links to the website, so with the showing schedules that we're posting, also how to apply. Just follow those links, and all the information will be on the website. Okay. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to getting you in this property. All right. Cheers. Bye-bye.